Hi everyone, it's Susanna with the January 2024 Strong Bones Challenge, Get a Grip, or Wrist Love. This is the first challenge that requires that you use a prop of some sort, a thing, in order to get the most benefit. And that thing, or those things, would be a light dumbbell. I have 3 pounds, but 1, 2, or even 5 pound weight might work for you. So gather up light weight. If you don't have a weight, go to your kitchen, find a can. I found a thin can for my small hand, which I really like. Any can that you can grip will work. And finally, we're going to need a ball. So I have a yoga tune-up ball, which I love. It's soft yet hard, but a tennis ball, any ball will work. Gather up what you need, and let's get started with our monthly challenge exercises. The first thing is just to rotate your wrists. So I do this every morning in bed, but as part of our challenge, we'll begin with wrist mobility. So just take a light fist and rotate around. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Go one direction, and then the other. Good, and then let's switch sides. So I'm holding on to the opposite wrist just for stability with the other hand that I'm not rotating. You don't have to do that. You could even do these, at the same time. Whatever works for you. Just moving your wrist around one direction and then the other. Great. And then let's shake it out to release tension in all the way from your neck, your shoulders, elbows to fingers. So as we do these exercises, we may create tension. Let's not make it worse. Let's let go of tension. Extend one arm and pull back to stretch your wrist. Pull back on the hand. Feel a nice stretch. And then the other one. Good. Shake it out. Let's add the weight movement now. So grab your light weight or can. If you are sitting in an armchair and would like to rest your arm on the side on the armrest, you can do that. You may have seen me. I also do it sometimes like this, resting it on my knee. You don't have to even rest it on anything. But here we go. I'm resting. So it's drop down and lift up slowly for 10. So that's 1. Come on up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now switch sides. We're going to switch hands and drop it down. I'm going to scoot over so that I'm not creating tension in my shoulder and my neck. And have good posture and go down. Drop it down, lift it up for 10, 9, 8, 7. Keep good posture always, right? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Now we're going to do the opposite. So with the palm facing up, you'll drop it down, and your hand can open as your weight is in your fingers now, and then curl up and squeeze in. Let's do 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, strengthening the hand muscles as well. 3, 2, and 1. Other side. Get your good posture, relax the shoulders, keep your fontanelle lifted, and we'll drop down for 10, curl it up, 9, you squeeze a little at the top, I suppose, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. Now, you can repeat that when you're doing this on your own. You can do 2 sets of that. Next up, a ball. So we're just going to squeeze it. Squeeze it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the other side. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I can really feel my wrist muscles working. I'm going to do both sides again for 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great. Little wrist shakes, little finger flicks. And now the isometric press. Take your hands, lift your elbows, relax your shoulders, and isometrically push your hands into your hands. My fingers are spread, so each finger touches its opposite. And press for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Big breath in, exhale, and release. And there it is. You can do this while you're sitting in a car. Oh, great thing to do while you're watching television. You can do this every day or every other day. Make it work for you, but let's come out the other end of January with extra strength and great mobility in our hands and our fingers. I wish you well.